Learn French words and phrases. How to say
butterfly,
in French.
butterfly, papillon, butterfly, papillon, butterfly, papillon, butterfly, papillon, the butterfly, the papillon, the butterfly, le papillon, the butterfly, le papillon.
Now you try.
The butterfly, le papillon, the butterfly, le papillon.